These are the best salt and pepper chips you can make using the air fryer or the oven. They absolutely taste amazing. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a classic, which is salt and pepper chips. So you need the chips, which are the McCain thick cut chips, onion, pepper, and I've got a little bit of salt and pepper seasoning. We're going to add a little bit of mixture to that, but we've got the basic salt and pepper seasoning. We're going to cook it in the air fryer. You can do it in the oven, but I'm going to cook it in the air fryer. Let's jump into the video. So you're going to need a full onion, just a small one, and what we're going to do is we're going to keep it chunky. So we'll cut down the middle, and then we'll do one. So we're going to do it into about 6 pieces. Same with the other half, down the middle to 6 pieces. This is a classic Chinese dish in Britain. So if you're from Britain, then you're going to love this dish. It's got lovely flavours. It's got amazing, little bit of garlic, touch of chili. It's got a little bit of onion powder in there. It really is amazing, and you can add fresh chili if you want to. But I'm going to use a little bit of dry chili today. But you can add fresh chili, and that'll just bump that flavour up and make it a little bit more spicy. So it's a quick, simple dish you can make any time, and it's just a quick snack. So we've got a red pepper. We're just going to do it into thin slices, like that. You can use the full pepper, it's up to you, or you can use green, yellow, red, it's up to you. Doesn't matter what colour, just about the flavour. And we're just going to do it in medium slices, not too thin, just in nice slices, just straight down. Just guide the knife gently and just follow it straight down. And this is the salt and pepper sort of garnish that we're going to have to the chips, and then we've got the seasoning to put in as well. So you want to heat your pan up. Preferably for this I'm going to use a non-stick pan with high sides. You can use a wok, whatever you want. Small pan, it's up to you. But I'm just going to use this nice non-stick pan. I'm going to put a drop of oil in just to saute the peppers and the onions. You don't need a lot of oil. I'm going to use olive oil because it's the best oil you can get, extra virgin. You can use any oil, but try and use olive oil because it's got that lovely flavour and it's got that high smoke point as well. It's amazing. And we're just going to do it in a pan. We're just going to saute it gently just to get them flavours in there. So let's get started. And then onions and peppers. Right, so we're going to add this seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in so it just gets in the peppers and the onions. There we are. Then we're going to give it a good mix. So just mix it round, so let that get in there. Then we're going to put our chips in there. As you can see, straight in. Best salt and pepper chips you can make using the air fryer or the oven. They absolutely taste amazing.